Mare,
Mango ko tayo.
tanggalin mo ito, Mare, oh.
Ano po?
May promo. Meron kami free process na libre. Pag ano lang siya,
English please.
para sa pata, is the pata. Ano lang, kahit
Ano yan? Oo, nang malaki.
Parang carry na siguro kami dito at
maliit lang.
sobrang busog na.
Gano'n ba yun?
Sobrang ano nung filter. Wait lang. I don't like the filter.
Kailan po?
Sige ate. Ayan ang dami ko ha.
The big one.
Wait lang, ibahin ko lang yung filter.
Nag-selfie sa live.
Yun. Nag-selfie sa live, okay. Pag-inggit, pikit. Wow. Ang dilim naman ito. I'm talking. Ivory is here. Guys, patag naman ako kay Bernie. Kay Bernie, kay Vinyas, and kay Brigading. Ito, para sa kanila to. Tara. Anong kinakain ni Ari? Ngayon beef. Di ba? Parang wala na talagang force. Yung sabi ko sa'yo, te. Wait nga lang. Iba yun nga lang. Hagardo.
Yung spicy. Love this. Ito, mamarabad ko to.
Spicy ba yan?
Ito, this one.
Open a little bit, but I didn't take a lot.
No, I still have.
Yeah, but I don't
Eh, bakit ito?
spice,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
so you can have the rest of mine.
Wala, parang tanga yung filter. Ito na nga lang.
Hindi ko pa pork ba siya? Pork na pa. Pork with love.
Sama kayo sa live ko. So, hindi niyo makikita si Ari, pero andyan lang siya.
Ito mo lang gano'n gitna.
Hindi nga kita lahat eh. Ate, bored ka ba?
Hindi makita lahat.
Hindi wala nakita.
Hindi pangit. Parang hindi. At least yung ano lang. Grabe naman yung filter nito.
Uy, walang filter yun. Baka nawag mo ako eh. Sinisiraan dyan.
Bakit natin ang mukha ko? Burang-burang.
Hindi naman. Sakto lang.
Sakto nga.
Lagyan nga natin dun ito.
Pakilala ito ni Bakla.
Alam mo, dapat dito ako magaslaw ako eh. Para kita nyo kami lahat. Pati yung mga worker. Bakit ba? Ay, baka sa camera ko pala to.
Ito ba? Sali ka na kayo ano?
Agaw, titignan ko na lang kayo. Pag nakita ko na kayong busog, busog na rin ako.
Wow.
Guys, nga pala, I'm wearing Midi Fresh. The Ariana Grande PH. Baka na bumalik na siya. So, paano na ako mag-Ariana nito? Nakakairita.
Ano gusto ko sa inipit ako ni Misa? Ayan na ka din sa akin.
My God, yeah. A Night of a Thousand Ariana.
Okay.
Or A Night of a Thousand Britney Spears talaga gusto mo. Gusto niyo talaga maging Britney Spears eh. Hala, burong-buro yung mukha ko.
Imper talaga. Bawal mag-comment. But yeah, you look like the artist. planning to do an Ariana Grande. Like you
Gusto
don't
niya,
know
Jenny.
this perform this song.
Kaya ko mag-Ariana.
Ano ba na mag-Ariana? What if you said you were Calariana?
Hi, my name is Ariana Grande.
Actually guys, share ko na lang. Pinipilit. Ano? Sabihin ko kasi ako ni Mayin kagabi na mag-Ariana ka din. Kung sabi niya, di nakakatawa yun. This is my impersonation of Ariana Grande. Okay.
Parang ginaya mo lang ako.
Ano ba bang sinasabi ni Ariana? Ano ba sinasabi ni Ariana?
That's my cookie, that's my juice.
That's my cookie. That's my juice. Ano yun eh? Luma pa yun eh. Ano yung Blackiana Grande pa yun eh. Ano? Yung mga bago. Yung mga weekend. It's like supernatural. Diba ganun yan? Alam mo yung TikTok?
Ayun, yun ba yun? Yung tulog? Ito na ba to? Ayun ako, Zumba!
Wala.
Don't zoom my face, darling.
Yana. Yana.
No, I went to this place first, and it was like pretty close to Greenbelt or whatever.
Busos mo.
Same area.
Hindi yan bastos. That's human nature. So, ayoko pong mag-English, kaya I can't do English right now, so I'm letting him do the talk. Charing.
Oh yeah.
Is it?
We like
Alam mo, follow ngayon ko lang. I just noticed it now. It's a paper thingy. Yeah, did you make that?
No, I bought it today.
Where? Mayaman.
Yeah, like it is like I never buy photos just like a couple of fun ones here and there. Yeah, I'll wear this in the time.
Ano?
A lot of times I don't go to like again. Yeah,
Oh, putang ina nyo.
2 years ago. Normally I'm just wearing this.
Pero di yun masakit. Alam mo yung masakit. Tinira ka sa puwet.
So I never like cute ones. Like,
Ayun, kaya nag-live pa doon yun.
two now.
Ang kata na, no?
The one from this place.
Hindi ako. Init ka, yung lalagay init dito. Duwa ka buo.
Yeah, that one is like organza. Actually, I was quite warm.
Chika minute dime.
Yeah. But it like has these flowers that are pretty and you can pop them on and off to like wash it easier. They're really cute. But I have it. Not spicy.
the spice just
Too
hit
much.
me now. Go. Nada.
Hindi ko pa natitikman yan, ha?
It's ready to go.
Can I have this one? Okay, thank you. What do you want? Tissue dito. Ala.
Mars, lagay mo nga yung ano dalawa.
They're gonna cook for a while.
Surprisingly.
I'm so full na. Are you full, Ivory?
Yeah, but this is agreed.
I'm good. I know what I'm saying. Huh?
No, but you can say my head. Did you not say yes to them? Or something?
No? He said no.
Oh, okay, good.
Because like, I need to know.
This tastes like pizza on a stick.
Bro, there's a vegetable on this pizza.
It tastes like pizza to me. Para siyang, it's also like the one you put on minute burger.
Sobrahan ako sa anghang.
Bakit?
You have too much spice. They added more.
Hindi mahilig siya sa... Yung tatay namin hindi mahilig sa spice. Guys, look. She's breaking the rules, y'all.
We're all breaking the rules.
We're breaking the rules.
I would have gone better.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Ayan. Si Hana. Ikusog mo na lang doon.
I smuggled 6 bakes. That's what they said. Take it down. Going through the website.
Yun ang perfect doon.
Yung dulo-dulo nagbula. Gusto wala ko kay buhat ba yun? Nakita niyo si Hana guys, gumagawa na ng bula sa bibig niya, te.
Let's play a game, ha?
Okay.
This one, the dart.
Ano, that's not dart.
Ito, ano shape to?
Pite. Siyempre.
This is, ano to?
Okay, sige.
So, ball pen.
Ball pen. Ito ay nakangalay na ako.
I'm stopping myself.
Mag-i-password na. Sorry.
Kizona! Iyot! They have like the rock. Kizona!
Ano to?
Ano yan?
Patambal.
Bahalo is like a good shop, but Hoshi is better. Ano to?
Guba ko na yung cellphone ba Very good kayo.
Tamang asam, punta na lang sa Mindari Bay. Ako na lang, take over. Init guys. Kasi para kaming nasusona dito.
Sona, elegant na itsura.
Okay. Sona ba? Hindi, dili karon.
Hindi ko na nag-guess.
It's like the rock compound. They have the motorcycle. Ano ni be? Okay, we're
It's mostly one design outcome.
Hindi like kaka-on pa.
I think mostly it was that one guy.
Hi.
And I wanted to
Oh,
buy
saw it.
Yeah. I took a screenshot and I was
Ikaw.
Wala ba yun? Wala kulon lagi.
Can you say ikaw? Ivory. Can you say ikaw?
Ikaw.
Okay.
Ikaw.
So you say ikaw.
Ikaw. So I'm not having downloaded that DLC for the Filipino.
It means you. It means you. Sabi mo muna.
Ikaw.
Sebe. Ikaw. Sebe. Secret, hanapin mo. Hindi ko bibigay sa'yo, no? That's my info.
Ano siya ngayon? Ayun ang trend ko.
Hindi ko alam. Pinapa-trending lang. Nakikisali lang ako. Kasi nanood ako ng
This one's cute.
di ba, di nakinig.
Ah, sorry.
Wala. Ikaw.
Huwag na tayo mag-
Baka pagalitan pa kami, guys. Do it. Ikaw, ikaw, ikaw. Do it.
Here you go, here you go, here you go.
Next one is
I know.
sippy, sippy, sippy.
Sip it, sip that.
Yeah. Sippy.
Sip it, sip it,
Sip
sip
it.
it.
Very
Do I
good.
need a microphone? Sip it.
Okay, you do it together. 3, ikaw, and 3, sippy.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Ikaw, ikaw, ikaw. Sippy, sippy, sippy. Very good. It means you, ikaw, are beautiful.
No.
Sippy, sippy, sippy.
This one's cool. Does anyone want it? I don't know. Any more? I just want to
Hi, Ate AJ. Si April Joy, oh. Yung kanina, yung pretty.
Yung pagkakaedit. Hindi ka pa natatapos no? Nakatulog ka. Oh, nakaabas mo. Beta.
Gusto niyo ba makita ng magic trick, guys?
What? What does it mean? Makakita ng magic.
Ano?
Yeah, it's a different roasted sheep.
Oh, parang kaya ko rin yan.
I'm scared. We had to laugh. I'm gonna have to snap.
Akin na pa nga dyan, kaya nakaet. Takinan, discreet mo yan.
Ay, discreet ba?
Oo, yung ano.
Napadok. Dokit.
I mean, I'm pretty sure that's good, but
Watching from Bicol Albay. Hi! I really love Bicol. I want to go back to Bicol. Thank you guys for having me. Love you. Ivory, 1, 2, 3, go! Ikaw, ikaw, ikaw. Sibe, sibe, sibe. Ikaw si Rene. Walang kaibigan. Si Ivory lang. Sorry. She doesn't like the camera, guys. Because she's what? Caucasian. Charay. I'm just kidding. Eme lang. Get away out of these cameras, huh? Why are you recording me? Why? Ega.
Yan, meron akong beef, egg beef.
My God, my gosh. Okay. Love your performance po kanina. Yes, oo naman. Dapat nyo i-love yun, te. At hindi ako makahinga talaga.
Hindi siya makausap. Habol dito talaga ako.
Hinahabol ko yung hininga ko. I don't know what happened. Siguro sa heels. Kaya I usually, I don't know. Or baka wala na akong proper sleep. Isang pa.
Hindi ka nag-stretch.
Is it?
Hindi ka nag-ready.
No, I stretched sa likod. Pero like hindi masyadong like super.
Hindi mo ni-run bago ka.
I threw my heels out after. I didn't realize it was all the bottom had gone off, so I was just skipping around. And when I was spinning out, I thought I was gonna go off stage and flip.
But you've seen a lot of audience, so you did do your rehearsals, right?
No.
Yeah, they were like doing a paint sound check. They did like a paint sound check.
Ano na yung TBA mo? Ang TBA ko is sa sa pop-up. Kasama ko sila. Nasa pop-up ka ba?
Tapos parang ako pala lang.
Nasa sa Paranaque din siya. Si Hannah din nasa pop-up. Pop-up ka rin, di ba? Pop-up.
Pop-up ate.
Pop-up ba? Pwede magkamali dito?
Pwede ba kamay?
Racist!
Arizona, racist.
Arizona, Bisaya phobic.
Wow. Tagalog versus Bisaya versus
Australiano. Are you pure Aussian?
No, I'm from Davao.
He's from Davao. What the hell? Pala Aussians. Yun ba yung tawag? Is that what you call the Aussies? Aussians? No, you're an Aussian because you're Aussie and you're an Asian. Aussian.
Patolo si Ana, di ba? Anywhere. Mali nga, wala ka apostrophe. We are kasi, di ba? Sabi niya, we're back. Tapos may nag-comment, we are. Tapos sabi niya, we're. Natulog.
Anong ibig sabihin nun?
Hala?
Hindi ko gets. Bakit?
Sige.
Bakit yan yung over?
Explanation of joke.
Sige.
Sabi niya, we're back. Ang spelling ng word niya is were. Yung I were a boy, W-E-R-E. Kinorik siya ngayon sa comment. W-E apostrophe.
Kasi dapat we are back siya.
We are
Tapos
back.
the shortcut man, word.
Alam mo ba yun?
Oo, alam ko yun.
Ano niya?
Tapos ano,
So yung may dash ganon. Bakla, linya lang yan. Bakit yung pinag-aawayan yung linya?
over. Kaya nga, ayun nga yung comment niya. Over.
Akala ko may ibig sabihin yung over.
Jesus Christ!
Hindi ko get. I don't get it. I don't get the joke. Oh my god, I think I'm from Australia. Tatawa. Guys, ang taas ng energy ko and these bitches don't have energy. Like,
Kaya nakain mo na nga itong isang cup ng manok.
mura mag-ano? Because they're old.
Mag-cocktail ako mga... I just need a... I don't need like...
I need a cock tonight. Ano, paulit ako, Maren. Guys, nagpinaras na si Hana, guys. Guys, gatsa pa uni yung chopstick. Don't mind my face. Okay. How about this one, oh? Arte nitong hayop na to. Bes, may CR dyan. Do you have CR there? Oh my god, you want to take shit in my mouth?
One, not
One tail.
Not, we don't have like the bottle, just like one cocktail,
Yeah.
Or one glass.
one glass of something.
I'm not gonna drink.
Okay.
You're gonna go to their house, right?
Are you gonna go or?
Yeah, so just take one and then let's go.
I feel like
Kasama ko, Min Bakla. Where are you guys? Where are you? Saan yung ballerina? Where's ballerina? You know what ballerina?
Ballerina.
Attack daw sa ballerina. Where?
Bahay.
Sa bahay.
Lure.
Balay. Si ano siya, warm-up. Nasa ano kami ngayon, saan ba to? Sa Japan. Sa Japan. Japan kami ngayon, no?
Japan tayo.
Nasa ano kami ngayon, sabi ko.
Nasa Japan. Oh, ang fresh mo, Day.
Kaya na. There's no more smoke coming out.
Babay na guys kasi parang hindi na yung mga joke namin hindi na pwede sa inyo eh. Bawal na sa inyo yung mga joke dito. So, ikaw, alis. Kayo ay umalis. Si Hana parang tanga. Bye-bye. Bye-bye everyone. Say bye-bye. Oh, yan ang problema sa mga kabataan ngayon. Lagi nagsa-cellphone.
Kaya may sasabihin ka pa.
Ay, okay. Guys, may sasabihin kami. We're gonna announce something. Are you guys ready? Press 1 if you're ready. Press 1. We're waiting. Press 1 if okay nang sabihin. Sabihin ko na? Okay, ayun. Nakita ang kamay ko. I-announce ko na guys. So, ngayon,